Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Crystal and I am back with another video. So in today's video, your girl is doing an unboxing and I am really dying to try this. This is actually one of Diara's sunglasses from her brand called Lorvae. I really was drawn to one particular sunglass in general. The other three I didn't really feel were so much my style, but I really love this one, so I ordered it. I missed her original release and all of her sunglasses were sold out, and I had to basically pre-order this one, which just got delivered to me yesterday. So I've been dying to open it, but I wanted to unbox it on camera for you guys. So if you want to see the sunglasses and the whole packaging and everything like that, then stay tuned. Okay guys, so the long anticipated Lorvae sunglasses, I have my package right here. As I said, it arrived yesterday and that was pretty on time, if I must say so myself, because I believe when I pre-ordered it, they said that it was gonna arrive in August, and it literally came on the first day of August. So I'm opening the box right now. First thing I see as soon as I open it is her brand name right here, which is super cute. And then we're gonna open it up, and all four of her sunglasses are right here. Then we also have this thank you card, which has a picture of her on it, and then the card says, "I'm so grateful that I can finally share my first ever brand, Lorvae. Lots of love, time, effort, and coins went into creating my first collection. I hope it helps you exude confidence and feel like the baddie that you are. Sincerely, Diara, real OG detailer." Okay, and this is just sort of like more packaging just to protect it. These are my order details right here, and then the sunglasses are in this little box right here. It also has the brand name right there, and it's protected in this bag. Okay. So the packaging is really cute. I love the white and gold. It just screams like queen type of vibe to me. So we're gonna open it up, because listen, I'm gonna wear this today, okay? I have been dying to see what this is gonna look like. So finally opening it up, and it comes in basically, this is white, right? A white sunglass case. Focus. Gotta show the details, okay? And then when you open this up, this is a magnet, by the way. Super cute. Open it up. The sunglasses are in another bag right here. This is also white. It does come with the the thing for you to clean your sunglasses. So I'm gonna open up this little pouch now, and it's gonna come in this clear plastic, and this is the sunglasses. So I ordered main event. I just thought like I was more drawn to that one specifically. It's all black and it seems like it's oversized to me, but we'll see. I'm gonna try it on now. I really did not. So these are the sunglasses. They are very sturdy, very sturdy. Doesn't look cheap at all. Looks like a lot of time and effort was definitely put into this. The logo LE right here. Also has Lorvae right here in the corner. It has the name there as well. So we're gonna try it on. I just felt like I would really love this one in particular. So, and black, goes with everything. So let's try it on. I didn't put lashes on just for this, okay? Oh, okay. It has like a little tint to it, which is cute. It's like just a little bit of a dim. It's perfect, nothing too crazy. Everything still, you can still see the colors and everything. But I really love how it just sits on my face. Like there's no like jerkiness, no movement. You guys know how sometimes you get sunglasses and like after like a few uses or whatever, it's like so like movable, like, you know. So these are like really sturdy. I really love that. They feel like they're just gonna sit in place and just shade all day. So these are cute. I really love these. This was actually $80, but these are cute. Yes, I love these. I'm gonna wear these today. Today happens to be a 90-degree day, so your girl needs some sunglasses on, so I'm about to rock these babies out. But I wanted to do the unboxing with you guys, so this was definitely worth it. I don't know, it might convince me to get the other ones, but definitely I know this one will definitely go with every single outfit. So that's why I really got this one, and I just wanted to support, you know, as a fellow YouTuber. But definitely check out Lorvae. They got some good, really cute sunglasses. Ziara is really doing her thing, so congrats to her. As you guys know, I love me some sunglasses too, because I got a whole collection. So I'm really happy that this is able to be added to my collection. But I really love the sunglasses. Y'all know if I didn't like it, I would have told y'all, but I like them. They're really cute. Okay, and they give boss vibes, okay, because you know your girl is a boss. Now, I didn't wear lashes. That's my only concern. I was wondering whether I could use them with lashes, but I guess I'll have to figure it out another day. It feels like I could, because it feels like there's enough space around my eyes under this, but I'm gonna put my lashes on right now, and then I'll be able to really know if I could wear them or not. But I love these. These are really nice. So definitely, you know, support and go check them out. If you really love sunglasses like your girl, then I would definitely say go check out her brand and see if there's a sunglass on there that you like. I'm pretty sure you'll find something that you like. But yeah, guys, that's the end of the unboxing. Let me know what you guys thought of this sunglass. There's 3 other ones in the collection. As I said, I only got this one, so you can definitely go on her website or her Instagram and check those out. But give today's video a thumbs up, and of course definitely subscribe if you're not subscribed as yet for more unboxing and more things like this. By the way, your girl is gonna start adding stuff to her YouTube shorts, so things like this, like quick unboxes and things like that, will be on there. So definitely check that out there. I may or may not put it on my actual channel. It might just go in my YouTube shorts, so definitely make sure you check that out for other, you know, content. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Your girl is about to go start her day, and yeah, I will see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.